Woke up into some huge Jasmy news. Let's get into it. It's your boy Crypto Million back with another one. Today, Jasmy has unveiled a major partnership with Panasonic. All right, now this news was dropped here by BSCN, but they did tag the official Jasmy page, and we're going to be talking about this partnership, how big this partnership actually is. You can see just the word industry shaking partnership with a Japanese tech giant. Now, this right here should all the noise that we heard about Jasmy being a scam, Jasmy this, Jasmy that got to be out of the window now. When you think about the Sony team, when you think about the rumors of them developing technology for the government, when you think about the partnership with one of the biggest call centers in Japan. Now we have more confirmation that Jasmy is a major institutional player. All right, both companies share this understanding that they have agreed to collaborate, combining their respective strength and experiences to aim for early realization of widely used platform. People are just waking up to the news here, family. You can see Jasmy is making a push to the upside, closing in on 2.4, right? About 2.5 pennies. But I don't want to make this specifically about charting. I just want to kind of go down that rabbit hole, guys, and let's talk about what to expect from this type of partnership that just happened, right? So if you don't know, Panasonic, they specialize in plethora of things, right? They do technology, consumer electronics, home appliances, automotive solutions like navigation systems, energy solutions. They even are doing things with industrial robots, industrial systems, and everything really IoT, like smart computers, smart television, smart refrigerators, smart cameras, etc., audio equipment. You can see the huge company, so huge that Panasonic itself, as of March 2024, market capitalization is around $21 billion, right? Making it the world's 846th most valuable company by market cap, which is absolutely crazy when you think about some of the cryptocurrencies that have higher market caps than Panasonic. The Panasonic is actually a legit tech giant in the space, and now we have a partnership here with the Jasmy coin, right? So a lot of people throughout the bear market were questioning if Jasmy was even real. I had people in the comments say they've been to Japan and never heard about Jasmy, which now I have to start questioning the FUD that I was seeing in the comments when you see this type of partnership here. So, Jasmy MGT has formed a groundbreaking partnership to develop a Web3 based platform leveraging Jasmy's personal data locker and Panasonic's technological prowess. This collaboration aims to create a system where individuals and IoT device information can securely interact. By combining agile development and Web3 technologies, this platform is set to enhance efficiency of the app and service development, allowing for more personalized and secure data management. This initiative addresses the global issue of user data control, offering a solution where users can manage their data sharing preferences securely. The partnership represents a significant step forward in user-centric data management and IoT integration with potential benefits including enhanced data security, user control, and the facilitation of innovative app and service development. So, I also want to double down on an example of how that would work, and I also want to go here to Horror's page so you guys can actually see that this here has been confirmed. So yeah, he did share this. Jasmy announces official partnership with tech giant Panasonic. This is absolutely insane, and this is why this is insane, right? So this is a scenario of how this partnership will work. So let's say you get a smart home ecosystem from Panasonic, right? So imagine a smart home ecosystem where various IoT devices like smart thermostats, smart securities, and lighting systems are all interconnected. In this setup, Panasonic contributes to its expertise in IoT device manufacturing and technology, while Jasmy provides the secure data management platform through its personal data locker. So we talked about this the other day, how a lot of these companies will utilize the Jasmy ecosystem to get that data from consumers to roll out better products for consumers and understand how consumers work from their what's the word I'm looking for? Uh, and I don't want to say strategy, but you know how they uh they work on things, right? So it says how it works, right? Device integration. Panasonic's smart home devices are integrated with the Jasmy MGT platform. Each device generates data about user preferences, user patterns, and environmental conditions, right? So studying how consumers their patterns, right? Studying consumers patterns so they can know how to further build out their company, their ecosystem, right? Utilizing the data that they're getting from Jasmy. Of course, that data will be private and personal, and you could possibly, as a consumer, monetize that data, as a lot of these companies poach your data through Jasmy. The data from these devices is stored securely in Jasmy's personal data locker. This ensures that all personal information is encrypted and stored in a way that only users can access or share. User control. Homeowners can control which data is shared with whom. For example, they might choose to share energy usage data with utility providers for personalized energy saving tips, but keep their information private. So this is huge. And again, I know I kind of like had a brain fart a little earlier, but this allows a company like Panasonic to study consumers' patterns to further put out there a better product, more to understand what's trending and things of that sort, so they can know what products to put out there for consumers. So I like this partnership, and I think it's going to be huge when you go back and look how big Panasonic is. The fact that Jasmy also has team members that's former Sony members, right? Benefits. So users have unprecedented control over their personal device generated data. Access to secure and controlled data enables the development of new personalized smart home services. So once they get this data, right, now Panasonic can personalize your smart home services based on uh, um, your patterns, right? Based on the patterns from the data that they're getting from these Jasmy data lockers. Makes Jasmy, of course, a deep in project, because at some point consumers will be able to monetize that data that they're giving out through these personal data lockers. The data locker ensures that the data is stored, transmitted securely, reducing any risk of breaches. The conclusion of how all this partnership works, right? Jasmy and Panasonic could revolutionize the way individuals interact with smart devices, placing a strong emphasis on security, privacy, and user control while fostering innovation in the IoT space. So we know that it can start from something as small as a smartphone and range all the way out to a smart city. So it's hard to grasp how high Jasmy could actually go when you think about the success that these guys had from Sony. So now we do got to talk about Jasmy hitting somewhere between a 20 billion and 50 billion dollar market cap when you see that type of partnership, right? Anybody that got in at 203 or 201, well, then that's could possibly get a 100x if Jasmy hits $1, right? Even a $1 billion market cap to a $50 billion market cap is still a 50x, and everything on our graph here adds up from the tokenomics, the demand, the social engagement, the adoption, right? Institution adoptions, partnerships with Panasonic, the product, right? The Jasmy data locker. Seems like businesses want to interact with this, right? They want to do consumers the right way. And what better platform to do that as far as data than Jasmy? And of course, the team, the experience, the founders, and everything that we know about the Jasmy team. So an explosion could definitely be on the way. The Gossin channel did just flip green. So this wasn't even green. The Gossin channel has now flipped green. Jasmy could be prepared for an explosion. And we do have a loss of momentum here on the stock RSI. But I'm not too concerned here. As you can see, that blue line looks like it wants to curve back up. And taking a look at the 3-day chart, if we swing over here to the 3-day chart, just give you guys a little chart before we actually close the video. Massive bullish cross here, that could push Jasmy to that level of 3.5 pennies, which we know if Jasmy crosses 3.5 pennies, right? We can assume, because there's really no structure after that, we can see this project really start to take off. I mean, if we zoom out, when in doubt, zoom out. It's not much structure once you cross 3.5 pennies. So I can bring this down here for you guys. The structure is done. Once it crosses 3.5 pennies, I mean, you're basically on a spaceship, and the sky is the limit for this project. Guys, let me know what you think about this partnership. Are you bullish on Jasmy? Are you bearish? NPC comments, where are you at? Where's all those comments that we're talking about Jasmy? I just had one I had to delete on the last comment, talking about my thumbnail, talking about this, talking about where are you at? What are you gonna say now? It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.